Very good morning, students. You are seeing my patient. Very good morning, dear students. I'm Dr.K.Saroja, Rani, Innovation Analyst, Pragati Engineering College, Sweden. In this session, we will discuss about workshop on prototype, process design, and development. So before going into the topic, so I'd like to discuss about one word. What is design? So you all may know that, but before going into the topics, so what is a design? A design is a plan or specification for the construction of an object or system for the implementation of an activity or process or the result of that place or specification in the form of a prototype, product, or process. So finally, it involves formation. Design means in formation of a concept or an idea to create things that add value to the people's life. Means that should be added a value to the student's life. So it involves the total idea what you are thinking, and you should also plan for the process which is useful for the public, and also you have to improve your ideas by taking a new creations in your brains. So just see this image. So idea is a different types of representations which shows us our talent, our solving human problems, solutions that works, emotion expression story, evaluation through intent, thinking made visual, people, content, context, functions through forms, and also design has the main factors that produces the implementations. So requirements of the customer. So if we design anything, it should be on the focus on the customer. So the customer should get motivated with your design and has to purchase that, and availability and access to the facilities. So we should use the around us facilities, and we have to implement with the low cost, type and quality of the raw material which we are using for the preparation of the design or model, cost to price ratio, quality standards, what we are maintaining the quality standards, availability of plant and machineries, subtitles, reputations of goodwills. So we have to follow all these factors. Uh, these factors will may improve our design, and also it may improve uh, customer mindset to purchase our models. With regarding that, we have to plan the main part of this. So coming to the prototype, so after completion of the design, which is implemented from your idea, so we have to prepare a sample model or a product which has to be displayed for the customers to interact with us. So here, the prototype is an experimental process where design team implements their ideas from paper to digital. So which means when we place an idea on the paper, it will not show anything which represents that it will it will contact with the customers or public. So we have to represent a prototype which easily goes into the customer minds or student minds or whatever it may be. Teams build prototypes of varying degree of fields to capture design concepts and test on users. With prototypes, you can refine and validate your designs, so your brand can. So then your brand can also release the right products. So it also uses the main time time and the basis of the amount it will be representing the prototype. So generally you all know that, so each and every idea won't be get success, and also each and every prototype or each and every prototype will not be get success. So we have to do that process repeatedly to get the success. So after the completion of the design, so we will go for the prototype model. And after completion of the prototype, evaluation. So evaluation includes the customer evaluation and the implementation on the customers, if it was successful or not. If it was successful, we can done with the model and we can release it to the public. But if the evaluation was failed, we have to move for the redesign of the prototype again, and we have to evaluate. Once the evaluation of the prototype has been completed itself only, our idea gets success and we can go for the implementations. So keep in your mind, our goal has to be in a very exact manner. It should validate our customers' demand and save your resources also. And next, a test technical feasibilities also can be set to your courses, improves your product ethics and meets customer standards. So if we have created anything, it should be meet the customer's requirement. If we done a model or anything, if it was not useful for the customer, there will be no use of implementing. So if we are considering any idea, it should not be a new item or a new thing. For example, if we take a mobile phone, so uh, what was the process it was changing? So what we are using now can also be helpful for the development of the mobiles also. And also we have to share the innovative ideas which can simplify humans' life. So it will also focus on your success. It will also targets on your success. Showcases to inventors during fundraising to gain their support. And also a sample to manufacture and minimize product cost. And also we have to minimize our cost to fast movement of the prototype. So coming to the journey of the prototype process. So as usually our goals will move functionally. So goals to functions means the idea to prototype and prototype to evaluation. When the evaluation gets success, it will be getting into the development and it will forward it to the evaluation and it will circulate in the uh, journey of the customers. So why prototype? We have to select the prototype, and it also helps us, our team members to communicate easily and effectively, and we can also expose our ideas uh, to nearby persons or some other persons to improve our designer aspects, and also we can get the questionnaire and also the answers which our prototype can choose everything. It also improves the total process of that, and we can also